can lean on me.
There's a man, oh yeah, standing on the corner. He has no home, he has no food, and his blue skies are gone. Yes it is. Can you hear him crying now?
There's a girl searching for a father and a friend, praying that the storm someday will end. But instead of walking away, open up your heart and say,
I can see your tears.
I'll be there in a hurry when you call.
Yes, I will.
Friends are there to catch you when you fall.
Here's my shoulder.
Here's the shoulder you can lean on me.
Hallelujah. Listen.
Oh, there's a child who is sick and begging to be free, but there is no cure for his disease. He looks up to his mother as she holds his hand,
Praying that someday the sun will shine again.
And the pain?
and the pain
Pain will end. Come on.
I am here. You don't have to worry. I see your tears, yeah. I'll be there. I'll be there in a hurry when you fall. I'm your friend and I'll catch you when you fall. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here's my shoulder. You can lean on me.
Tell me how can I love Jesus when I never seen his face? Yeah, I see you trying
And it's turning the world away. So hold my hand.
Let me take you to a friend of mine. It's waiting just to ease your troubled mind.
Yeah. He loves you more than you'll ever know.
Instead of walking away, open up